the recording. We saw a paragraph. Let us see how do we convert it into a diagram. So you can give any appropriate title, a healthy diet, an ideal diet, a diet plan, important diet, diet is an important thing. Anything can be given to form your pie chart. Now, when you form your pie chart, the simplest way I suggest my students is make a circle. After making a circle, divide it into 4. Now, each of your parts is going to be your 25%. So if they tell you you have to mark 50%, what you can simply do is you can just erase the beach ka line. So this becomes your 50% each. So your marking scheme becomes very easy. Let us see how have they marked it over here. Now marking those diets over here, as I told you all, तुम लोग को drawing नहीं करना है, तुम लोग को coloring नहीं करना है. Simply write the percentages and make the index for the same, saying 30% किसका है, 5% किसका है, 9% किसका है, 15%, 23%, followed by 18%. So the paper checker will also get an idea that the allotted percentage is for which of the product of your diet. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone with the same? Now moving ahead with my next type of non-verbal, that is a tabular form, a table form I can say. My tabular form should be drawn in pencil as I've suggested you all earlier. This is how my tabular form looks like. Table banana hai. Now tabular form mein you can get do's and don'ts, yeah, distinguish, yeah, you can get it in this way as shown on the screen. Now talking about tabular form, now they have given us information about a personality who was born on 3rd March 1847. Occupation, scientist, inventor, innovator. In his invention, so his invention was practical telephone. Other inventions, photophone, metal detector. Then hydrofoils, aeronautics, died on 2nd August. Bell statue, similar in statue. So using all these points in the chronology given to you in your diagram, you are going to convert it into a paragraph with an appropriate title to the same. So it was, hey, just a minute. There's something missed over here. Now you have to convert it into a paragraph giving an appropriate title to it. So इसका title क्या हो सकता है? This is going to be your homework because तुम्हें इसमें ही convert करना है. That is non-verbal or that is verbal form, paragraph form. So इसका title can be, because there's some error with the slide and the name of the personality is not mentioned. This is how your tabular form is going to look like. Now starting with the question of tabular form, that is verbal to non-verbal, they have given you an information about Dragon Ball, a cartoon talking about mixed martial arts. Then they have given you the name, that is Saiyan race, and is the most talking about Saiyan race, who is the most powerful race which existed. Now they talk about the power of each character of that Saiyan race and the power they consist. As you can see, 12,000 by Kakarot, that is Goku, well known as Broly, consisting the Broly on the other hand is well known for being legendary Super Saiyan. Power of 11,000 Vegeta, consisting power of 9,000. So this thing gives me an idea that मेरा जो non-verbal diagram है, उन लोग ने mention किया है question में कि तुम्हें tabular form में करना है. So I have to make the tabular form how? So in this way. Saiyan race, giving it a title and then distinguishing Saiyan और उसका power level, because that's what they are talking about in the paragraph. It is very important for us to understand कि वो लोग किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं पैराग्राफ में. Saiyan, Kakarota 12,000, Broly, Vegeta, Gohan, and this is how you form a diagram to the same. Clear everyone? Clear everyone with the formation of diagram? Clear? Now moving ahead to the next, here they have given me question number 8 of your workbook, a diagram that is a non-verbal tabular form, and they want me to convert it into a verbal paragraph form. How can I do it? So using the features of Ganga and Brahmaputra, that is main source, mouth, length, tributary countries, I can form my paragraph. Main source Ganga is coming from Gangotri Glacier, Brahmaputra from Bhagirath Glacier. I can form my paragraph in a way that one paragraph talking about completely Ganga and second paragraph completely talking about Brahmaputra. Two paragraph form. If I'm forming it in one paragraph only, I can form a paragraph saying Ganga coming from Gangotri Glacier, whereas Brahmaputra coming from Bhagirath Glacier. Then I can say about mouth. Ganga's mouth divides at Giriya and Brahmaputra is at Bay of Bengal. So I can talk about both the length. So I can write my paragraph in either of the ways. Clear, clear, clear. Now let us see how they have formed the paragraph for the same. Giving you all half a second to read the paragraph. You can give any title. The story of Ganga and Brahmaputra, India's major rivers, holy rivers of India, Ganga and Brahmaputra, devoted rivers of India, Ganga and Brahmaputra. You can give any title and you can form your paragraph, half a second to read it, and then we can move ahead. Moving ahead now. I hope you all have read it. Moving ahead now. Kar liya na read? Finish reading, right? Now let us see the next form of tabular, that is do's and don'ts. Now, how do you form the table of do's and don'ts? You have to jot down the keywords. पूरा statement नहीं लिखना है. I say ना, I have a do's and don'ts का table, or in front, out of every temple I have it. Then when you move inside a train, you have a tabular form of do's and don'ts saying what are you supposed to do, what are you not supposed to do, what aren't you supposed to do. So that's how I have to form, by retaining the keywords, framing short and crisp sentences, that is बहुत simple short statements. I don't have to repeat the ideas. I don't have to use direct speech. I don't have to write examples, if any, and I have to copy 4 to 5 consecutive sentences. Now here they have shown us a tabular form of do's and don'ts that we have to follow in Pressy writing. Now let us see how do we do in our paper. As you can see, they have not written the word don't over here. If you write don't in your tabular form of don't, you will receive a big zero, because it already consists a title to your table, that is don't. ये पूरा column don't का है. So directly start with the infinitive saying don't यहाँ पे है spit, throw paper, throw bin, ऐसे. Clear? Now here we have a passage, and we are going to see how they have converted this passage into a tabular form of do's and don'ts. This is already there in your workbook. We won't waste much of time here. Question number 9 of your workbook, and we'll move ahead with it, seeing how they have prepared the table. This is how they have prepared the table. And as you can see the note below, they have not used don't, and do again and again in your tabular form in each of the part of do as well as don't. A half a second to go through it, and then we'll move ahead with the next question. I hope you all are done. I hope you all are done with the same. Now moving ahead over here, we have to prepare a non-verbal to verbal, that is tabular form में से हमें paragraph form prepare करना है of do's and don'ts. Similarly, without using constantly do, don't, we have to prepare a paragraph for the same in this way. Go through it half a second. As I told you all, you all have to maintain the chronology while preparing a paragraph for the same. Half a second, you can go ahead. Done. Next we have is fact file. Now when I talk about fact file, we have fact file of three things: of a place, of a person, and of a thing. Clear? So here they have given us an example of how a fact file looks like. There's only one difference between fact file and tabular form. Tabular form may be stretch a line, and fact file may be use a pollen. Make one thing very sure: the pollen should be one below the other, as you can see on the screen. Each and every feature of your fact file should start one below the other. You can leave a line between features, you cannot leave a line, completely your choice. Not supposed to use a full statement directly. You can write one word or starting from infinitive, as you can see on the screen. Now let us solve the question for the same. Here they have given us a fact file of Maldives, and you have to convert it into paragraphs. Place, Maldives, location, Arabian Sea, physiography made up of 26 atolls. Now using all these points, I am going to convert it into a paragraph, giving an appropriate title to it. Make sure when I convert it, I follow the chronology, starting from place, then telling about location, then telling about physiography, population, followed by capital, religion, climate, best time to travel, places to visit, and accommodation level, one after the other in chronology, in different types of sentence formation, as they have given over here. Half a second to read it, and then we can move ahead to the last question for the day. We are going to extend it for 5 minutes. I'm sorry, because this is a huge topic. Half a second, read it fast so we can move ahead. Yes, title can be Maldives, a best destination place. You can write mesmerizing Maldives, Maldives, a dream island, anything. You can also give a title of fact file on Maldives. I hope you all are done reading. Now moving ahead to the last question, where they have talked about Ernest Miller Hemingway, and they want you to convert it into a fact file. So we know the name, so we can give it a title of Ernest Miller Hemingway. Now using this paragraph, I have converted it into a fact file in this way. Fact file on Ernest Miller Hemingway: name, date of birth, hobbies, written works, then you have prizes, awards won by him, his health issues, and his death. As you can see, they have followed the chronology. So whenever you convert a paragraph into fact file, make sure the way you did for tabular form, the flow chart, similarly, you follow the chronology over here. A half a second to go through it. Meanwhile, anyone, any doubt in any part of your information transfer, while you convert a verbal into a non-verbal in case of fact file, the title is always going to be fact file on Ernest Miller Hemingway, fact file on Maldives, if it is paragraph to your this non-verbal diagram form. Always and always fact file में तुम्हें fact file on so and so लिखना जरूरी है. Clear? पक्का पक्का श्योर खुद की कसम. Everyone clear with information transfer? Your homework for the day is from page number 89 to page number 101. Page number 89 to page number 101 is your assignment for the day. You have a lot of time to complete it. दिन में एक तुम writing skill लो, एक information transfer लो, तो भी more than enough है. Any doubt while doing the assignment, you can come to me. The assignment will be posted on your Google Classroom by end of the day also. So no worries. Still you have any doubt, you can contact me directly. Clear? Clear? Shall we end over here then? Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care. See you all tomorrow. Stay safe.